We've lived there all our lives. The beach is nothing new. Hey, look. I got a brochure for the taiga. Where is that? It says that it's places like Russia, Canada, and most of Eastern Europe.
Well, we can walk there.
Alright.
Let's go. Oh no, here it's taiga.
This is so cold here, man.
So cold.
Well, it's supposed to. The brochure says it's usually dry and extremely cold. It's like 26 degrees right now.
No, man, relax.
Chill out, dude. We're just asking.
Hey, look, some hikers.
Oh man, we should go beat them up for their clothes.
Yeah, okay.
My leg. Now we're ready to go on a hike.
Ooh, this is a pine tree. One of the most common trees of the taiga. Don't touch that.
Dude, Patrick, shut up.
You, it's not him. It's the spirit of the forest. Now listen, there are many other plants that don't lose their leaves. Spruce, cedar, fir, hemlock, blah, 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 blah. It also serves as a shelter for pretty little deer. Oh, see? There's one there. There's also bears, moose, wolves, burrowing rodents, caribou, and owls. Oh look, there's one now. The soil consists of a deep layer of partially decomposed conifer needles. Decomposition is slow because of the low temperature and high acidity. As a result, only shrubs and relative plants may grow on the forest floor. Hello? Hello? Hey guys, what are you guys doing?
No? No, what? Yeah.
Why are you not listening to me? Okay, bye.
Oh no, someone help me!
He's cutting down the tree! Get him!
Ew!
Look at what he did to my siblings. Their houses. Some. No! Whoosh!
There he is!
JP! Wait. Me? Trying to find some boreal forest. Dude, we found a graveyard. Trying to find a boreal forest. I don't know, man. We should go somewhere else now. Yeah, let's not go over here. Let's run.
Look at that bear over there, man!
What?
We got it.
Oh my